How to get Chipotle promo code. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar search for Chipotle promo code. Head over to the very first site. Well, it will land you on this interface. Scroll all the way down and different offers will be visible to you. You can click on any one of it. Let me tap on this one. Well, the promo code will be visible on your screen. Now all you want to do is tap on copy. Once it has been copied, the next thing you want to do is to go back and head over to your application Chipotle and then apply this promo code and get certain amount of discount and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get Chipotle promo code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.